Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to disable or enable the Google feeds on this device. So just move with your two fingers at the same time to the center by this way, and you will see the home screen settings. Tap on the icon, and here you can see the feeds. Tap here, and just to disable this function, switch to the none. And now we can check. We can open the Google Feeds. If you want to turn it on, repeat the action, and just here tap to the Google Discover. And now, as can you see, your Google Feeds are turned on. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.